Do you have a passion for cleaning kicks? Have you ever thought of taking your cleaning to the next level by creating a cleaning service to make extra money? With the Reshoevn8r Executive Club, our members are given exclusive access to an array of benefits, discounts, and limited edition member-only items. We have taken our thousands of hours of cleaning experience and our quality-driven cleaning products to provide crucial benefits that will help our Executive Club members become successful shoe care entrepreneurs. Once you become a certified shoe care specialist, the possibilities are endless. If you want to discover what it takes to become an entrepreneur in the shoe care industry, become an Executive Club member today. Ready, set, clean.